This is David from Databar, and today I'd like to show you how you can use the LinkedIn Sales Navigator exporter in order to export your leads into Databar. So there are two prerequisites to use this exporter. The first one is that you'll need an active Sales Navigator account, and the second is that you'll need to install the Easy Web Scraper Chrome extension by Databar in the Chrome Web Store. The link to this extension is in the description below. So once you've set up the extension, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn and click on the extension. Once you do that, you'll see a button that says Copy LinkedIn Token. Click on that to copy your LinkedIn token to your clipboard, and then head over to Databar. Click on the LinkedIn Sales Navigator exporter. You can either search for it in the search bar on the right, or you can click on Find Leads, and then click on LinkedIn Sales Navigator Exporter. So I'll just use this search tool, click on Start. And once you do that, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. So the Authorize button is where you need to add your Sales Navigator key. So we'll give it a name, Sales Navigator Key 2024. And I'll paste my key in here. Click on Save Key, and now I'll select it. So next I'll need to go into my Sales Navigator account, and I need to make sure that I'm in the sales/search/people page. That's where you can search for people with filters. You input all of your filters and search query in here, and once you're ready, you simply need to copy the link, head over to Databar, paste the link in here in the Sales Navigator URL, and write the number of pages that you want to export. One page equals to 25 results. So if you enter 10, then we'll export 250 leads. For now, I'll just input one page to export 25 leads. And once I'm done, I'll click the Run Query button, and Databar will start collecting the data. Now, because this connector mimics human behavior, it might take a while. You can close this page and return to it later. You should see the exported leads appear in your table. So if we compare the spreadsheet to our Sales Navigator search, we can see that here we have Alejandro Bargameter and John Bloor, these two contacts at the very top, and we have 23 others. Now that this connector is ready, we can actually add enrichments on top of this data. To learn more about enrichments, please check out some of our other videos, and if you have any questions, please reach out to us via Discord or email. Thank you for watching this video.